Gold against US dollar. This week started with this bullish candle, a bullish breakout above 2878.61. The price continued to rise in value. We can see reaching the next resistance level 2927.76. All these movements and also bullish breakouts that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to receive these updates when the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout, feel free to join. For example, in this case, when the price formed this bullish breakout above 2914.85, the prices reached 2921.22. So this was a profitable breakout information for the traders, and also it was a successful breakout. So if you would like to receive these updates, feel free to join the premium analysis, where you will receive these updates during the week, each day, one or several of them. Now, what we can make as a conclusion: after the price has reached this resistance level, we can see a confluence of resistance. The price could not manage to make a bullish breakout going above. For 3 days, the price has tried to move and make a bullish breakout, but could not make that. And also, the bearish could not make a bearish breakout below that. On the weekly, on the daily analysis, which I have shared each day this week, I have shown you that the price is currently stuck in between this resistance level and the support level. It is a range area where the price is bouncing up and down, up and down. There was an attempt this time. The price tried to make a bullish break, continue to rise in value. It was unsuccessful because next candles are reversed back down. After that, the price has started to make a bearish breakout, trying to move further down the price. But here, the demand zone where the buyers are waiting could not allow that, push the price again up, and this was a second attempt for the price to go above 2927.76 resistance level. This was also unsuccessful because it is a strong bearish candle. We can see that it had been formed on the chart on here on the 4-hour time frame, and then the price bouncing from this support level could not manage to go further down. So we are stuck here in between this area, so I'm waiting for the price to make a clean breakout. On the weekly time frame, we can see that it is currently formed here a bullish candle from this support level here, but we have also a bearish engulfing candle from this week before. The monthly time frame shows me currently we are still in the bullish mode. We can see that it is still bullish candle, but we have several weeks until this month close. I will pay attention on the lower time frames, which will show us much more clear information. So for now, the support level here, 2857.20 on the weekly time frame, is holding. For now, as it looks, at least what I can see here, the price will try to move higher, reaching 2935 and also 2952 resistance level. So I'm still bullish oriented, and I'm expecting for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, because we can see this was a confluence of a resistance here. But as we move further right here and here, this confluence of resistance is losing its value, and it becomes only a resistance level, which will be much easier for the buyers to push the price above that. Now, until the breakout happens here on the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, and especially 1-hour time frame, like in this example, we need to wait to see that clear information. But on the daily time frame, if it makes a bullish breakout, it could also reach immediately 2952.97. Just like in this case, if the bullish breakout happens, it can reach this area of resistance immediately. So 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame will be the first information and signals for the price that it is managing to make a bullish breakout, and it will try to move higher. So for now, if you would like to receive these updates when the breakout happens on the 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame, suggesting where the price could go, will it go down as a bearish or it will go up as a bullish, feel free to join the premium analysis. Inside that analysis, you will receive the update and also breakout with the target when that happens. So for now, I'm still bullish oriented, but I'm waiting outside to see until the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout on a lower time frame. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.